In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Logseq with GitHub. If you're taking notes or building a personal knowledge base in Logseq and want a reliable way to back it up and share it across devices, installing the GitHub integration is a great first step. We'll walk through getting the plugin from the built-in marketplace so you're set up to begin syncing your graph via GitHub. Keep your internet connection on, open the graph you plan to use, and let's get started. First, open Logseq on your device. Give it a moment to load your current graph so you're seeing your usual pages and journals. Starting from the home view keeps everything predictable as you move into the app's settings area. Next, look to the top right corner of the Logseq window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu for app controls. If your window is narrow, that menu might be condensed, but it will still be at the top right. Think of this as your gateway to features that aren't on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose Plugins. This brings up the Plugins panel where Logseq lets you manage all extensions that add extra functionality. Even if you've never used plugins before, this is where they live. Installed items appear here, and you'll also find access to the broader catalog. Inside the Plugins panel, click Marketplace. The Marketplace is Logseq's official directory of community and core plugins. It's searchable, it's curated, and it's the safest way to discover and install tools without leaving the app. In the Marketplace search bar, type GitHub. You'll see results related to GitHub integration. Select the GitHub plugin you intend to use and click Install. Logseq will handle the download and add it to your environment. You may see a brief progress indicator. Once it changes to installed, the plugin is ready. Some plugins surface a small setup screen or an options button right after installation. If you see that, it's simply providing next steps inside Logseq. That's the entire process to get the GitHub capability into Logseq. Open Logseq, use the three-dot menu, go to Plugins, open the Marketplace, search for GitHub, and install. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the Marketplace doesn't appear or looks empty, make sure your network is stable and your Logseq version is up to date. If multiple GitHub-related plugins show up, read the description to confirm you've chosen the one that matches your needs. And once installed, you can explore the plugin's own settings to proceed with connecting your notes to a GitHub repository at your pace. You're now ready to begin syncing with confidence, starting from the official Logseq plugin path.